Ava Rodriguez. Ava is receiving a certificate of recognition for accelerated reading participation, capturing kids' hearts participation, most improved, citizenship. Ava is also receiving a medal for mission balders. Jimena Treviño. Jimena is receiving a certificate of recognition for accelerated reading participation, capturing kids' hearts participation, A and B honor roll. Jimena is also receiving a medal for mission balders and for silver reader, as well as a certificate. Now we will be having a class picture with Mrs. Villarreal's fourth grade class. Thank you, students. Before moving on, you can go ahead and take a seat, Ms. Villarreal's class. Before moving on, parents, one more time, a friendly reminder, if you plan to check out your fourth grade student, please go ahead and scan the QR code. We are asking that you please not check out any of their siblings as it is an instructional day. Once again, please do not check out their siblings as it is an instructional day. Please scan the QR code if you plan to take your fourth grade student. Una vez más, padres, gracias por asistir. Todavía no está terminado, pero queríamos darles las gracias por asistir y por también, si planean llevarse su niño de cuarto grado, por favor escaneen el QR code. Les estamos pidiendo que por favor no se lleven los hermanitos, que hoy es un día de instrucción. Nada más le estamos pidiendo que solamente se lleven los, si piensan llevarse los niños, solamente los de cuarto grado, no se lleven los hermanitos. Now we will continue with the assembly and we will have Mrs. Hernandez next.
Thank you. Good morning, parents. We deeply appreciate the hard work and dedication that each and every one of our students demonstrates throughout the school year. Our administrative team has carefully reviewed the achievements of our students, and I am honored to announce this year's Principal Award and Assistant Principal medals. The selection process was based on a criteria that included math and reading benchmark scores, reading levels, AR points, iReady technology program, attendance, conduct, and participation in extracurricular activities such as UIL, sports, and choir. Buenos días, padres. Agradecemos profundamente la dedicación que cada uno de nuestros estudiantes demuestra a lo largo del año escolar. Nuestro equipo administrativo ha revisado cuidadosamente los logros de nuestros estudiantes y me da un honor anunciar el premio de la directora y las medallas de la subdirectora de este año. El proceso de selección es basado en un criterio que incluía las puntuaciones de los exámenes de benchmark de matemáticas y lectura, los niveles de lectura, los puntos de AR, el programa de tecnología iReady, número de ausencias y la conducta y participación en actividades extracurriculares como el UIL, deportes y coro. Now with that said, we will go ahead and start with Ms. Cantu's class. So the assistant principal medals that go to the students in Ms. Cantu's class are Caroline Reina and Eduardo Guerrero. Please come up. Congratulations. The Principal's Award in Ms. Cantu's class goes to Alina Pulido. Congratulations, Alina. Now, for Ms. Garcia's class, the assistant principal medals go to Adelina Barroso and Alexa Cruz. Please come on up, folks. The Principal's Award goes to Aiden Moreno. Congratulations, Aiden. In Ms. Gutierrez's class, the assistant principal medals go to Angelique Gonzalez and Ashton Valverde. Congratulations. The Principal's Award goes to Camila Salas. Congratulations, Camila. The Assistant Principal's Award for Ms. Rodriguez's class goes to Inaide Arechaga and Adeline Alviso. Congratulations. The Principal's Award goes to Bruno Silva. Congratulations, Bruno. In Ms. Quintanilla's class, the Assistant Principal medals go to Zachary Martinez and Sebastian Herrera Montoya. Congratulations. And the principal's award goes to Milan Maldonado. Congratulations. In Mr. One's class, the assistant principal medal goes to Brandon Rocha Coelho and Victor Pozos Jimenez. Congratulations, boys. The principal's award goes to Stephanie Rocha Cortez. Congratulations, Stephanie. And now for the general class. The assistant principal medals go to Sofia Cavazos and Jimena Treviño. Congratulations, folks. And the principal's award goes to Natalie Flores. Congratulations, Natalie. This just concluded our assembly. Thank you so much for joining us today. Parents, please be advised that we do have BSN Sports back over here at the table. They do have our uniforms for next year. They will remain the same. However, we do, in case your kids need new sizes, we do have them back here at the table. We also have Miss Mary who's selling our yearbooks for $35. Buenos días, ahora sí ha terminado nuestra asamblea, pero queríamos avisarles que tenemos a BSN Sports, los que venden los uniformes, están acá sentados atrás, pues si gustan ya ordenarlos, son los mismos de este año, y también tenemos a Miss Mary que está vendiendo los yearbooks por $35. Muchísimas gracias por estar aquí con nosotros hoy. Thank you guys very much.